That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we're out on the streets. We're helping out some homeless folks. We're giving rides to strangers. We're helping out people wherever we might find them. We're giving the homeless folks some sandwiches, maybe even buying them bus tickets or a pair of shoes, that kind of thing. And why can we do that? Because of the great channel benefactors we have here, people who have followed the link in the description below, kicked in a few coins so we can do all these great things, helping out the homeless folks, giving them rides. It's real easy. All you do is you roll down the window and you say, hey man, you need a ride? Come on in. I got a sandwich for you. I got a drink. I can get you to where you need to go. And now it's time for our question of the day. This is going to be a new feature here on the channel. In the description on my homepage, I talk about offering folks a rare glimpse into the homelessness quagmire. That's right, a glimpse into the homelessness quagmire. Why do I say quagmire? Why don't I say problem? Well, the Funkin' Wagonells dictionary defines quagmire as a awkward, complex, hazardous problem. And that's how I'd probably describe homelessness. One of the models in dealing with homelessness is called the housing first model. Now, this is where you take a homeless person and you give them a place to live. You give them an apartment. Now, you've solved the problem. You had a homeless person, now you have a non-homeless person. And at that point, once you get them housed, then you offer them the drug counseling, the job training, the mental issue, addressing the mental issues that, that vex so many people, all of that kind of thing. But it's housing first. You've solved the problem. They're no longer homeless. They now live somewhere. What do you think of that model? If you could talk about it in the comments below. But let me go ahead and spice things up here a little bit more. When talking about the the housing first model, what if you're the guy or gal who lives next door to this apartment, which is now housing a homed person? How does that change it? Let's say you're working doubles at the mill to make ends meet, and you got to get up at 5 in the morning, or whatever the case may be. See, now the situation, I think, gets a little bit more clouded for any number of reasons. So, our question of the day is, what do you think of the housing first model in dealing with the homeless quagmire, where the people are provided housing first, and then they're offered the job training, the drug counseling, the mental issue counseling, that type of thing. So now, let's go ahead and let's scan the fruited plain and let's get to work picking up some homeless folks. Ding, ding. Hey there, you need a lift? I can give you a ride.
That's so nice, but really, I'm just going to be like right around the corner.
Oh, well, I can get you up there. Hop in. You got a heavy pack. Why not? I can get you to where you need to go.
Thank you.
Of course, of course. It's a good day for a free ride, right?
Yeah.
All right. Hop on in here.
Okay.
Don't worry, the people behind us can wait.
All right. Why, thank you.
Oh, pleasure's mine. Pleasure's mine.
Oh, your name?
We'll get you wherever you need to go here.
Good.
Ding, ding. What are you out doing?
I've been backpacking, so I've been camping out right over here.
Oh.
Just backpack around Bloomington, checking things out.
What, are you in between housing opportunities?
Yeah.
Oh, well, there's seems to be a lot of that. Taking a left here?
Yeah, take a left right
Yeah,
here.
I can get you wherever you want to go, like I said.
Okay.
Whatever you're comfortable with.
Thank you.
Are you working on getting permanent housing, or are you just kind of as free as a bird here? Or?
No, I am. Prospects are there, but yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. Right here in this parking lot.
Yeah.
We're gonna pull up, and I've just been camping right here.
Because have you talked to them at the right here?
Yeah.
Have you talked to them at the Shalom Center? And
Yeah, I talked to them, and I have some opportunities.
Yeah, because you got to get on that list, I guess, and it takes a while. But as long as you keep at it,
Okay.
and everything, you know, they have room for everybody. And you know, I know in the good weather, camping is a kind of okay.
Okay.
But when it's bad weather, you know,
Yeah.
you don't want to be wet, and it's gonna get cold again. And when you're outside, were you camping when it was like -5 degrees?
No. I was able to get out of the cold that night.
Yeah, because you don't, when it's that cold, you got to go inside because, you know, people freeze to death.
Well, I don't have anywhere warm to stay right now, so I've just been backpacking.
Are you from Bloomington or where are you
Yeah.
from?
I'm from Chicago.
Oh, what part of Chicago?
Arlington.
Oh, that's land of milk and honey there. That's the promised land.
Yeah.
It's kind of like, I'm an Indiana boy. I'm from Hobart, so you pass Hobart coming down on I-65.
Okay.
But we only go as far as O'Hare because we've never seen beyond O'Hare.
Yeah.
I think Arlington is like the land beyond O'Hare. We're
Yeah.
like Moses looking into the promised land.
Oh, yeah.
We've never set foot beyond O'Hare, but we
Okay.
know that there's something there.
There's something.
How'd you wind up in Bloomington from...
Family. They're off in Evansville.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so I wanted to set roots here in town.
Oh, well, do you have anybody helping you here in town?
No. No, I've just been backpacking and working with Shalom to find housing. So.
Well, yeah, like I said, there's just a ton of resources around here.
Yeah.
And, you know, you don't have to stay outside.
Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and get out. But if you can come up with a list of things, I'm here periodically.
Yeah, you wanna write your name down?
Yeah.
And do you have a phone?
No. If you could write your number down.
Okay, I'll be delighted.
I just got mine wet, actually.
Oh, you see, didn't I say it gets too wet?
And I'll give you my name and number so you can call.
Okay.
I should get that up and running here within the next 2 or 3 weeks. Thank you.
Okay.
Laura, L-O-R-A.
L-O?
Uh-huh.
Laura. Okay, okay. I dig that. It's kind of creative, kind of very bohemian. You seem like you're very bohemian.
Thank you.
And what's your...
L-E-A.
L-E-A.
N-E-A.
G-H.
And if it gets extremely cold, think of me, because I'm going to be camping here, and any place warm would be welcomed on my part.
Lena, what is it on Facebook?
Lena, that's it.
So if I punch that in, it'll come up on
it's
Facebook.
spelled wrong. L-E-A-N-E-A.
And...
E-A.
Right there, like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right, I'll look for you on Facebook. And hey, are you hungry? You want a sandwich? I got some sandwiches.
Oh, sure.
And what do you want let's see, there you go.
Oh, wonderful.
And here, when you get out, I'll give you a couple.
What do you got here?
That's cheese and ham, I
Okay.
believe. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'll give you, once you get out, I'll give you.
I've got a drink.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
All
When you
right.
get a phone, call me, text me. I'll help you. And
All right.
look for me. Ding dang. Here, I'll teach you.
I'm a musician.
So, what's your specialty?
Well, I play piano and guitar.
Oh, right on.
Yeah.
Right on. The future's looking bright.
Okay.
All right. Take your time. Get your gear here.
All right. But yeah, when it gets cold, think of me. If there's any places warm, just let me know.
Where do you camp? Like
Up on the sidewalk over here.
Okay. All right. Okay, I will. I'll come back and hey, the future's looking bright.
Good. Good.
Ding ding. Yeah. Don't forget your purple bag here.
Okay.
You got everything?
Yeah. Well, my drink's here.
Yeah. Here. Are you sure you don't need another bottle? Here, take another bottle. Give it to somebody if you don't need it.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Dude, thank you.
Hey, hey, look for me. I'll help you.
All right, I will.
Okay, ding ding.
Sure.
All right, well, Laura there sure seems to be roughing it, but she's got a lot of stuff. She's got a big backpack, deluxe there. I'm sure there's probably a sleeping bag. She seemed to have her wits about her, and she seems very, very aware of the resources that we have available here. So she's camping, it looks like, and she said in the little median there. And I'll come back and I'll check on her and we'll see what's going on. But hey, like I said, she had her wits about her. She seemed pretty grounded. Obviously, being outside is no place to be, but she definitely seems to be making an effort. So we're going to give a double ding to that. We're going to be looking for Laura in the future. And hey, if you like the cut of my jib, go ahead, leave me a like, leave me a subscribe, leave me a comment, leave me a suggestion. I love hearing from everybody. And now, let's get back to work.